Hello dear student, welcome to Easy Math classes.
Today we are going to study about variable, constant, coefficient, base, index and degree. So one by one let's start. First of all, variable. A variable is a quantity that may change within the context of mathematical problem or experiment. Variable एक quantity है जो कि change हो सकती है according to mathematical problem or experiment. Typically we use a single letter to represent a variable. The letter X, Y and Z are common generic symbol used for variables. For example, M, K, P, etc. are used as a variable. Constant. A constant is a number on its own or sometimes a letter such as A, B or C to stand for a fixed number. For example, in x plus 5 is equal to 9. 5 and 9 are constants. Constant एक fixed value है. इस example में 5 and 9 ये constant है. Coefficient. A number used to multiply a variable. For example, 6m. It means 6 times of m. Here m is a variable, so 6 is a coefficient. Variable with no number have a coefficient of 1. For example, x, it is really 1x. It means 1 into x. Base. The number that gets multiplied when using an exponent. For example, in 8 power 2, 8 is the base and the result is 8 into 8 is equal to 64. So 8 into 8 can be written as 8 to the power 2, where 8 is base. Index. The index of a number says how many times to use the number in a multiplication. For example, 8 to the power 2, which means that 8 into 8, that is 64. So here 2 is the index. यहाँ 8 to the power 2 का मतलब है 8 को 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So यहाँ पे 2 इंडेक्स है. The largest exponent the variable has in a polynomial with one variable is a degree of that polynomial. For example, in this polynomial, that is 4x cubed plus 2x square minus 7, highest exponent is 3. So here 3 is the degree of this polynomial.
Thanks for watching this video. For more video like this, please be connected.